Hey, what's up guys, Hazarab here, and today I'm going to be telling you how you can recover deleted photos from your Android phone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's move on to the first solution, and most of you might already know this, but let me just put it in the video so that whoever doesn't know can actually use this. So let's say that I've deleted some photo by mistake, and this is on Google Photos. So the app here that I'm using is Google Photos. So let's say that I've just deleted that photo by mistake. All you need to do is just go on to these options right here and then go on to trash. You still have your deleted photos in your trash. So you can just select this here. Select this photo here, select this photo here, and then you can click on restore to actually restore the photo back to the normal place. And this is the first way, this is a very easy way to basically restore your deleted photos. Now let's move on and check out if you have deleted the photos even from trash. So let's say that you have actually by mistake deleted the photos even from trash. So how do you restore these type of photos? Okay, so for this all you need to do is just go onto the Play Store and download this app called Disk Digger. So let's go onto the Play Store and search for Disk Digger. So you can see that this instantly pops up, and all you need to do is just basically install this app. And once it's installed, I'll let you know what you have to do inside the app. So yeah guys, the app has been downloaded, so let's go ahead and open it. So once you open the app, you will see the screen, and all you need to do is just basically start a basic photo scan. Now this does not require any root permissions. If you want to do the entire scan and pull out even older photos, you need to root your device. So we'll just start the basic photo scan for now, and you just need to give it permissions. So now we'll start the scan. So as you can see, it's basically scanning all these photos. So you can see that these 5603, all these are ignored by settings. That is because we haven't given it root permissions right now because my phone is not rooted. And if the phone is rooted, you can actually discover even more photos. So let's see what it pulls up and what it has for us. So you can actually see that it has found some files which I might have deleted like way back. I don't even remember having these files. They're probably very old. They look like some screenshots. So these are some PDFs. So yeah, these are the files which I have deleted, which I might have deleted really long back and I don't even remember. So as you can see, these are all the photos that I have, and it has found over 2,400 photos on this device which were deleted. So I can actually go ahead and just simply click on recover once this is done. So I can click on recover right now, and you can actually basically select all the files that you want to recover. So I can select whatever I want to recover, or I guess I can also select all from here. So if I select everything, I can recover everything back to my storage. So currently it has found over about 3,000 files, as you can see. So I can recover all these 3,000 files just by going here and then selecting all. So yeah guys, this is how you basically recover any of your deleted photos from your mobile device. So thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please do give it a like, and please do share it with your friends and family to let them know about this cool trick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.